Hi everyone, this is Victor Pandian. I'll be the instructor for you this session. Hello everyone, my name is Victor Pandian from Learn Digital Academy. So in this session we are going to learn about the accounts and preferences. See, as a owner, I'm creating a campaign, but I cannot be there at all the time, right? So what I have to do, I have to set a manager for that where he'll be taking care of my campaign, like making a payment, doing the alteration for my keywords, doing the alteration for my ad groups. So a lot of things that he can do. Okay, so for that we have to set it. Now for that, where we have to go, okay, if you click up on this tools and settings, can you see the setup option towards your right side? Under that you have access and security. So let's understand what is access and security. So if you click up on this access and security, like, you can give the access for few people where they can manage your business. So let's understand that. Yes. So I already given an access to this. Now what we have to do is, let's click upon add. Now here we have to give a email ID. Now I'm giving my own email ID, victor dot business at gmail.com. Make sure you have a Gmail account first. Now to this Gmail ID I'm giving an access. Now what are the access that I can give? The first option says email only. If I click on email, you have the few options here: disapprove ads and policy alerts. I'll be getting the email on it. Campaign maintenance alerts. So basically I'll be getting the email notification for me, guys. If I click on billing, I'll be able to get the view campaign and view planning tools, edit campaign, view billing information. Can you see this? What are the options that I have? So for under billing, I have only two options. That is view billing information and edit billing information, nothing else. If it is email, you'll be having only few options only. If I click on read only option, see, can you see the option? So read, he can read it, but he cannot edit it. Edit option is there only for standard and admin option. Okay, so you have view campaign and use campaign tools, edit campaign, view billing information, edit billing information, view reports, edit those reports, view users and manage the product link, add email only users, edit users and manage the product links. You have all these options. Now edit users and managers and product link option for admin only authorities having, none other than people are having the authorities over here. Okay, so I can make him, so I can make Victor either as an admin I can make, or a standard. If I make, I have only this options, or I can give him only read only access, wherein he can only read my campaign, nothing apart from that. Okay, now if you look at an example over here, so this is the real-time option which I want to show you. So let me click on tools and settings, let me click on access and securities. So can you see this? We have given few people the access. Okay. Now this one is the only admin. The first one, 103, 103 Studios Private Limited. So they are the admin. Now they were given Mr. Naren, Sandeep, Suman, and Victor. They are given only the standard access. Now what happens in your standard access? If you look over here, can you see the standard access? I cannot edit user managers and product link. I have got the standard access over here where I can view the campaign, I can edit the campaign, I can view the bling link information, edit it, view reports, edit reports. I'll be able to get all this option over here, guys. So this is what we have got in this particular option. Can you see this? If you click on managers, you can able to filter the managers once if you are given the manager list here properly. Okay, now this is all about your access and security. The next one is preferences. Now what is preferences? That preferences I'll show you in this tab. If you click on tools and settings, you have something called as preferences. Please click on preferences. So this is the place where you'll be adding your name. Now what is the name of your account? Can you see Victor's new ad? Now just I need to click on this drop down. Instead of Victor's new ad, I'll just write Victor's digital marketing training. Okay, save it. So your content here, Victor's new ad, will become Victor's DMT. Now let me refresh this page and show you. Just observe here at the top right. Can you see this? It has become now Victor's DMT. Okay. Similar way, you can keep your this particular advertisement account active, or you can cancel this account If you cancel this account, in no more you will be able to create your campaign using this account. Now let me scroll down. Contact information you have to give. So I recommend you strongly to give your contact information. victor.p.learndigital@gmail.com. So I'm giving the email address also. So I recommend also to give the phone number here, 96064064644. It's my contact number, and give your office address, number 123 JP Nagar, Bangalore. So I'm just giving it for the learning purpose. Now, data protection officer, same as who is this data protection officer? I'm the data protection officer, so I'm giving the same information again. So once you're done with us, so we have something called as EU so it is a European representative authority. So we don't have to worry about it. Let's click upon cancel. Okay, now once you're done with this, given the content information, you can save. So in this way, you can monitor it. Now let me show you the real one. So let me click upon this. Can you see here? We are given the contact information. I just removed it. So I recommend you to give the contact information so that it becomes easier for you to understand how your Google Ad account works. Okay, so this is all about your preferences, guys. Now I want to tell you one more thing. Suppose this is my another ad account. I want to create multiple ad accounts. See, I'm having one ad account here, two ad account, three ad account. Now I want to create another ad account. I can just need to click upon this new account. Want to create a new account? Yes, new Google account. Yes, you have to click upon new. You'll be entering into this place. You can create a smart campaign like get more calls, generate, or you have to click upon switch to expert mode. You can select it. Then entire process from the start happens again. Okay, so you can create good number of campaign over here using your multiple ads. So you can have up to 20 ad accounts per Gmail, guys. Okay, so whenever you are in need of it, you can create it. Whenever you're in need of it, you can create it. And you know why we are doing this? Because see, if I'm an Amazon, I'm not creating a campaign for one single product. I'm creating for multiple single product. Now under an ad account, you can create multiple campaign, guys. That's possible. So how to once going forward, you'll be having multiple campaigns to create, multiple ads to focus. So for that, you can create multiple ad accounts. One thing is that. Now, as a digital marketer, I'll be creating a campaign for my photography. I'll be creating a campaign for another product, let's say interiors, another product, fashion. So I'll be creating multiple ad for multiple customer. So from Gmail, I can create up to 20 accounts, ad account where I can create campaign and I can monitor individually. Okay, so I don't have to merge it. Now individual account will have individual payment options, guys. Okay, you have to get into it and you have to give the billing options over there. Okay, hope this session was really informative, a short information about the accounts and preferences and security settings. Okay, so please practice it, please do the settings over there, and while creating, even for creating a campaign. See you all soon in the next session. So thank you so much. All right. Hope this session was very informative. So let us meet again in our next session. Thank you.